Hello children, I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So today I am here to do one activity with you. Before starting the activity, let me ask you one simple question. Did you have your breakfast today? I guess it is yes. So you all had your breakfast today. So now tell me why you had your breakfast today. Simple. You feel hungry, that's why you had your breakfast. So today I am going to teach you about food. What is the importance of food? Why we need food in our life? Today I am going to teach you all about food. So now there are 3 meals in a day. There are 3 meals in a day that we must have to eat in our day-to-day life. So first one is breakfast. So breakfast, it is very much important to have in the morning. To keep us healthy and strong, we have to eat our breakfast every day in the morning. Second one, we have in the afternoon, we have to eat our lunch. So our lunch is also very much important for us. So we must not skip our lunch in everyday life. So third one is dinner that we have to take in at night. So there are 3 meals in a day that we have to eat every day. So here the most important thing, that is food. So why we need food? That also it comes to your mind. So food is very much important for us in our day-to-day life. We get energy to do any type of work through food. So it keeps us healthy and strong. If we will eat our food every day, some nutritional food and any kind of diet, any kind of balanced diet, then it keeps us healthy and strong to do any type of work. Now we will be discussing about some sources of food. It is also coming to your mind that where we are getting the food, that sources means where we are getting the food. We are getting the food from 2 sources, mainly that is 2 sources. One is from plants, another one is from animals. So today we are discussing about plants. So what are the themes, what are the food we are getting from plants? We will discuss in this chapter. So let us know what are the foods we are getting from plants and which keeps us healthy and strong. Now you just see what are the things I have kept here. You just see I have kept here so many fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. So I want to ask you one question, that are you liking to eat fruits? I think yes. Okay, so there are so many types of fruits are there we are getting from plants. So they are mango, apples, grapes, banana. All these vegetables, it keeps us healthy and it also gives us energy to work. So there is also a saying that if we will eat 1 apple a day, it will keep away the doctors. So it is very much essential for us to have fruits every day. Secondly, we have vegetables, that is we are getting from plants. So vegetables, which one you are, I think you must have seen vegetables at your kitchen. Your mama is preparing vegetable soup, your mama is also preparing some vegetable curry by using all those vegetables. Do you know all these vegetables where it comes from? It also comes from plants. So some vegetables like brinjal, potato, tomato, then beetroot, cauliflower, carrot, we are getting from plants. And it is also very much essential, it is also very much important to have vegetable in our lunch and dinner. We have to eat every day, we have to eat green vegetables to keep us healthy. third one, we are getting pulses from also plants. So here I am keeping so many pulses. So one thing you have in your mind, that what do you mean by pulses? So pulses is different types of dals. They are called pulses. So different type of dals means here I have kept masoor dal, rajma, tur dal, moong dal. So these are all types of dals we are getting from plants. Lastly, there is grains. So grains like rice, wheat, we are making chapati from wheat. We are also eating rice in our lunch. So these are also we are getting from plants. So students, today we have learned all about plants. All about plants means all the foods we are getting from plants. So in the next class we will be discussing about food from animals. So you just have to remember all those things today what I have taught you. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.